Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a war attack on the enemy's #1 base, and I'm going to use the Grand Furnace strategy on this one. A couple of my clanmates weren't able to triple this base, so I decided to give it a whirl with my new strategy. So here we go. Gonna have the RC come on the bottom on that wizard tower, and trying to get it to go to that monolith because I like to get the monolith in the beginning. So the RC is now cycling through the fox and the invisible seconds. Now trying to get it to direct towards that scatter shot, but it didn't. So now I'm gonna take this cannon down, and the nearest defense is gonna be the scatter shot. So you get the scatter shot in there. I think I overplayed my invis here, and I almost lost my fox, but I recovered. So I'm trying to get these high value defense down. Recall, I'm trying to get my Grand Warden as far away from this hook. Grand Warden's over on the left hand side. I popped the CC troops. That was one of my goals, to go into that compartment. So while the Grand Warden's taking care of that, my rest of my troops are coming in from the bottom side. I really put my the Super Yetis in front so they can take some damage off the king, but the monolith still target the king. Get the monolith down, and the Grand Warden's over there still cooking. Got rid of the CC and moving up. The queen, I really wanted to go on the inside, but she goes on the outside. That's fine. Queen still has her ability. I'm gonna pop her ability soon. The hook is pulling in a lot of my troops. I gotta get it to stay away from my Grand Warden. I don't want it to pull my Grand Warden, especially with my ability. So, yep. Queen still has her ability. She's coming around. Grand Warden still has his ability. The RC coming in from the back end. Get all those troops. It's always great to attack behind the scatter shot. Now it's pretty much cleanup time. The hook is gonna grab my RC, but it's pretty much over. There's no defense to fire at her, and it's a done deal. Cleanup, and yeah, that's the Grand Furnace attack, guys.